Oh, welcome back to another one. So right now I am taking a walk in the Pelourinho neighborhood. Pelourinho is the original commercial center for this state, and where pretty much the city got started. And here you see all sorts of Obrigado. He wanted me to play it, but I'm sure he would charge me something for me to play it. If I was just any other tourist from anywhere, I would have probably went up to it and be like, yeah, let's check it out. And then he'd be like, oh, okay, so that'll be 50 reais. So I want to try to find the house where Michael Jackson did that music video, They Don't Care About Us. I believe it is down this way. Let's go on an adventure, try to find it. Beautiful church. Beside another beautiful church. Pelourinho. So this church was built in 1789. 1789. So it's just about as old as your mom. Look at this. These historic colonial roads. This place is freaking cool. So they had carnival here from the 14th to the 17th with free entry. Started at 2 p.m. and ended at 2 a.m. I got to the city on the 17th, which was the last day of carnival. And boy, I have never seen a party as big as this. I did not come to the party here in Pelourinho, but I did go to the party around the place where I'm staying, which was literally down the street. If you go onto my Instagram, you can see on my Instagram stories. Artistry. I'm probably not going the right way for the Michael Jackson house. Let's see, I have to turn somewhere, I think. Let's see. Let's go back. Actually, no. Let's go through a different way. A new way. Oh, this church. I believe this is the church that a piece of the church like collapsed and killed somebody maybe last year, a few years ago. And it's from 1705. Look at the artwork. Wow. Wow. Aha. Now this is looking familiar. I believe the Michael Jackson house is down this way.
Fala, fuleira.
Look at that church there. I just went around the block. I'm back at this park. Alright, I must have made a wrong turn somewhere. Because I know the Michael Jackson house is down here somewhere. Wow, there's another church over there. What's that, like 5 churches? All within walking distance of each other. Yeah. I just went down the wrong street before I had gone down that way. But I need to go down this way. She's like, Mom, take it like I took yours. Might stop at one of these places for food later.
Ó, carregador portátil, onde vê o cartão de memória, pendrive, carregador tipo C, iPhone V8, carregador do celular. Ah, o carregador do celular.
Look at this. Beautiful art. Yeah, we're getting close, I believe. Yeah, if you've watched the Michael Jackson video, They Don't Care About Us, this place is probably looking very familiar to you.
Aí ele trabalhava na Honda, e ele ficou na mesma equipe que eu trabalhava na Honda. Quando eu saí lá da Honda, ele
So they're still breaking down all the equipment and stages for Carnival. This is one of them that was open from 2 p.m. till 2 a.m. Oh, there it is. I see it. Boom. Michael Jackson house. Up there on that middle balcony is where Michael Jackson was singing during his music video.
Eu vi com o show de São Valença aqui, muito bom.
Just picture this road completely filled with people, shoulder to shoulder, dancing, drinking, partying, making out. Because that's literally what Carnival is. You wouldn't be able to walk like this because there would be no space. Alright, so I think I might check out this place for some food. See you later. Alright, so I just finished eating at this place. Had a nice lunch. Some grilled chicken, rice, fries, and a Brazilian staple called farofa. Put that on the rice, put it on top of the chicken, and it makes it all crunchy. It's really nice. Now we're walking back down towards the Michael Jackson house so I can show you more of Pelourinho. tell how steep this is. Look at the people struggling going down. So we had passed 5 churches before, and there's 3 more in front of me. This one. And there. That one. And another one up there, behind all those houses. So this is Pelourinho, where Salvador got started. Hope you like that quick look at Pelourinho and the Michael Jackson house. And until the next one, peace out.